All right, guys, we're here in the shop at AOMC. We've got the special edition 350 XC-F KAILUB Russell edition. Bailey's over here. We're gonna pop open the lid and see what this thing looks like. I'm excited. Alright guys, here it is in all its glory. The 2021 KTM 350 XC-F KAILUB Russell Edition. This thing is sharp. It's as close to a factory edition as you're going to get in a 350 or in an off-road bike. You get that beautiful orange frame. Obviously you get the 10-liter IMS oversized tank, which is also already set up to use with the dry brake system if you want to do that. You get the factory edition triple clamps. Get the factory edition wheels, which have the orange hub, orange nipples, DID dirt stars. Absolutely sick. You get this this graphics kit. You get the seat cover. Get the stunning FMF, which I think are the best looking exhausts in the game. You get the Hinson clutch cover. It's just so sharp, man. You got these light gray ODI grips. I feel like they could be like the softer compound version. I like them. You get the front rotor protector. It's the KTM Power Parts one. You also get a hole shot device for the front. We didn't put this one on. Not sure if the owner, this one's sold, not sure if the owner is going to want it on there. You do have to drill into the fork guard, and it looks too pretty to drill into, so we didn't put that on yet. You get the KTM Power Parts, like composite skid plate, which is direct bolt on. Just a stunning looking bike, guys. Everybody's pretty pumped about this. For anybody looking for one of these, this one's sold, but we have 2 more coming in. So call up here ASAP and get your name on the books for one of these. Oh yeah, you get the orange sprocket too. That's what I wanted most about my bike, was the orange frame. I'm hoping maybe in 2022 they swap back to the orange frame on all of them. Yep, we're gonna put this in the showroom, and I could sit there and look at this thing all day, guys. All right, thanks for watching. You guys seem to like these unboxings, so I will keep them coming. Oh yeah, solid rear rotor. Sorry. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Later.